Subscribe my Technical Hints YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get more notifications about technology related informative videos. Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome here to my Technical Hints new tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you that how can you remove your noise from your video easily which you have recorded for your YouTube channel to upload on it. So this video should be without noise so viewer can attract to this video and more viewers can see this video. So to remove noise we have to need for these three applications. You are seeing that CoinMaster audio video library and Lexis audio editor. So we are going to in the interface of KineMaster. You are seeing that we have opened it and we have to select the ratio of 16:9 because this is ratio of YouTube videos, and we have to click on this, and you are seeing that we have to select that video from which we are going to remove noise. So we are going to select that video. So you are seeing that I have selected that video, and now subscribe my Technical Hints YouTube channel. You are seeing that this video is with noise, and now we have to remove this noise from this other application that is audio video library. So we have to open audio video library. As we open audio video library, so you are seeing that we have to click on plus icon. As we click on plus icon, you are seeing that we have to click on video option. We have to click on video option. As we clicked on video option, we have to select that video from which we are going to extract audio to remove noise from that audio. So we have to click on that video. So now we have to click on the extract mp3 file. So we have to click on extract mp3, and you are seeing that these options are open, and now we have to click on this audio option, and now you are seeing that this option is in front of us, and now we have to click on conversion to mp3. You are seeing that our file is ready, and now you have to focus on the title which this application gives to our video. So now you are seeing that August 31, 2020 and 4:2. This is name of this file given by this application. Open Lexis audio editor. You are seeing that this is without any voice, without any layer. So now we have to click on these three dots, and now we have to click on import mix option, and now we have to click on load playback sound. As we clicked on load playback sound, you are seeing that the audios which we have recorded and we have extracted from our videos, those are here, and now we have to select that audio from which we have extracted from our video now. So that is this August 31, 2020 and 4:2, and we have to check on this and we have to open it. As we have clicked on it, now we have to click open option. As we clicked on open option, now you are seeing that we have to check that audio again. As we checked it, now we have to click on open option. Now you are seeing that our file is ready. Subscribe my Technical Hints YouTube channel and press. You are seeing that this file include noise in it, so we have to remove that noise from our this voice. So we have to click on these three dots again. As we clicked on this, you are seeing that effects option is active now. We have to click on this. So you are seeing that now we have to click on noise reduction option, and now you are seeing that many options here and many frequencies here. You don't have to click on any frequency, any option here. We have to click on apply option. You are seeing that our file is ready, and now we can open it. Subscribe my technical hints YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Now you can see that our this file is without noise, so now we have to save it. Click on save option, and now here you can write anything which you can remember, that AGN. I have written that AGN to remember that this file contains that to remember. So we have to click on save option. You are seeing that our file is saved now, and now we have to click on, now we have to go on KineMaster again, and now we will click on the file which we have selected here, video, and now we will select its volume 0, and now we will put, now you can see that this video is without noise, without voice, and now we have to put voice from which we have reduced the noise. So we have to click on audio option, and here we have to select artist option, and here we have to select that audio which we have recorded there, AGN. Subscribe my tech. As you are seeing that I have selected that, now I have to click on check button. As we have clicked on check button, now you can see that subscribe my technical our video and press the bell icon to get more notifications. As it ends, I show you again. Now we have to click on share option, and now we have to click on export option, and our project is exporting now, and after few minutes our video will be ready in our gallery, and I will show you. We have to open the exported video which we have exported from our KineMaster. So now we have to click on, so now we have to click on the videos option, and we have to click on the video which we have recorded exported from KineMaster. You can see that our video is without noise and our voice is without noise. So this video ends with this. So let's meet in next video with a new